Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications here, the notification settings. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Just written to open video. So then you click here on email updates. When you click here on email updates here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, so you keep going down here. So then you come here to skills here. Then you come here to notify me of how viewed my job posts. You click in this sign. That like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.